Hello guys, you want to get pink lips, right? Watch straight into this video. Thank you. Our lips are part of the most attractive parts of our body. They are visible, you can easily see them. Like, hey, check out. These are like part of the first things we see when we see a new person or even people we know. We check their face. It's not like our other parts of our skin that are covered with clothes. This is very visible. They are open and that. So, but most times we suffer from dried lips, chapped lips, or even dark lips. So what may be the causes of these dark lips? First, some of the causes are not moisturizing well, not scrubbing, using the wrong product, putting lipstick on for too long, and using cheap lipsticks. So, or using cheap lipsticks. Yes. So there was one time in school I had I think in my year 1, and I was using this lipstick, all those classic or rishi. Those ones are basically very cheap, 200 you get, and they're like 24 hours lipstick. So when you put them on, sometimes even the next day, they're still on the lips. And I was liking them. I had them in color pink and I think red, and I was really in love with them. But in the long run, I noticed my lips got very dark, and everyone was like, who is this figure that had black lips? But I was using it either way because I don't have a choice. Then after a while, I was looking for methods to use to get a lighter lip, and I had to stop lipstick or reduce it, and I started going for a bit more expensive. And then exfoliating helps the lip. Like you can use a sugar scrub with honey, mix it with lemon, or you can just use sugar and honey to just scrub your lips. If possible, every day. It helps with dryness and also dark lips. You can also use, you can also moisturize. You can get chapsticks, you can get lip gloss, you can get Vaseline. That's petroleum jelly for your lips. At least those prevent dryness too. Because if your lips is always dry, then you are prone to having dark lips at the end of the day. So on the medical aspect, you may have dry and dark lips if you are dehydrated. That means you're not taking enough water or fruits, or you're lacking some certain vitamins. So it can also cause dried lips. So best advice for that is to eat fruit. Please subscribe to this channel. Yes, like, share, and comment. So for this procedure, I'll be needing ACV, that's apple cider vinegar. And this is from Bida. What is this? This is the one I have. You can use the one from Bragg's. That's the model, because that's like a popular brand and maybe more effective. I don't know about this one, but I've tried using this one and it worked. Then I'll be using cotton wool, not cotton bud, cotton wool. So yes, I took this size. Yes, you can see this. I took this size of cotton wool, so I'll go ahead to like wet it with the apple cider. So yeah, this smells very bad. One thing with ACV is that they smell very, very pungent. Whether they smell bad or not, the main thing is to have pink lips, Abby. Yes, so let's get there. I'll just go in, clean, more like rubbing in circular motions. So one thing with this is that it has a tingling feeling, like tingling call, like they pinch person. I don't know if you get. So especially if you have breaks in your lips, like cracked lips, you will feel it more. So that's like a disclaimer. But if you don't, you still feel the tingling feeling. So I'll still go ahead to rub. If it needs for you to change your cotton wool, change it and still continue rubbing. So I'll be rubbing this. I've been rubbing for like a minute or 2. So I'll go ahead to rub it for 15 more minutes, and I'll speed through the process. I've gone ahead to scrub it for like over 15 minutes. This is the cotton wool I used. So there was this feeling I got as at yesterday. Yesterday was the first time I tried this, and I had this whitish stuff on my lip. Today I could not get that. So I did not get that white cast or white feeling, but I've not rinsed it off. So I'll leave it on for let's say 5 to 10 minutes, then I rinse it off, then I come back to show you. I don't know if I'll still get the same awesome result like I did the last time, but that way there's nothing to lose. So it's over 10 minutes already and I don't still get it, so I'll just go ahead, rinse it and come back. So I've rinsed this and I'm back. I don't know if you see any difference. I did not increase brightness, so I think I'll continue this process, but I don't know if I can do it daily because it's very tingly. Yes, so it's very tingly, so I don't know if I can continue it. But now, once I'm done with everything, I just want to moisturize my lips. So you can use either petroleum jelly or anything you have, or a chapstick. I think I'll go with chapstick. So I just so I think that is it. So once I keep doing it, I think I'll be able to post the video after a while. I don't know if I should post it now, even though there are little changes, but I don't know if it is visible enough. So thank you for watching. Thank you for staying tuned. Just subscribe, like, share, comment, and see you in the next video.